Hi folks, my name's Dave Johnson and today I'm bringing you a product review of Coursium. Coursium is being released on the 20th of August at 11 AM Eastern Time. Now Coursium is an online learning platform that can assist you in creating, promoting and selling your online courses. There's a step-by-step guide to getting your online course up and running fast and efficiently. And if you want to join the launch, I've put together a mega bonus package for you if you decide to purchase at the end of the webinar. So I'll leave the link below this video, which will ensure you get my mega bonus package. So Coursium, you'll be able to create hand-holding style courses easily with just a few clicks. You'll be able to upload and store your e-learning courses quickly and securely. You'll be able to generate course pages to host your e-learning courses with just one click. And you'll be able to import them directly from Zoom and G Drive and send the awesome live training directly to Coursium for your evergreen earnings. You'll also be able to create sales letters and video courses, and there's lots more inside. So we'll go through the platform and have a look around it, but first of all we'll just go through all the bonuses you'll get if you purchase Coursium through my link. Okay, so once you've clicked on the link below my video, you'll be brought to my blogging biz online where I've got my Coursium review, and this is where you can claim all your bonuses. So if you click through my link and decide to buy Coursium, then you will claim all the bonuses. So we'll go through the Coursium platform in a moment. So if you want to take a look at my written review here, feel free, and this is where you claim your Coursium admission. Just here, any of these links on this page will take you through to the webinar when it's released, and if you do decide to purchase, then you will claim all the bonuses. Okay, so have a good read around there. If you want to find any information, you can find out all the front end prices, the OTOs, all the details and informations on this page. So when you scroll down to the bottom, here you find Neil Napier's product bonuses. So he's giving you product 1 product creation bootcamp and a bonus 2 3 sales video presentation templates that you can use. Okay, so those are free if you purchase the Coursium product, and my personal bonus is here. If you want to view that, then you can go ahead and just click on that there, and that'll take you to my personal bonus page. So I've got 7 bonuses here. There is a 48 hours lockdown on these bonuses, so make sure once you've made the purchase you've got 48 hours to claim these. So bonus 1 is the Master the AdWords Cash Mountain. Okay, so that's all about AdWords. And then we've got another Run Google AdWords video tutorial. That's a great course. So you'll be able to drive traffic from Google AdWords to your Coursium products that you create. And there is 1 month to your online business. That's all about product creation again. And then we have bonus 4, your product coaching program, another video tutorial. It's an easy step-by-step formula, okay, to start profiting with your coaching career. And then we have a ebook CPA Overdrive. That's a fantastic read if you're into CPA. And paid per click for beginners, another video tutorial course for you there, bonus 6. And finally, bonus 7, the online time management. So you'll be able to manage your time much better. Another free course there for you to read. Okay, so all those will be included if you purchase Coursium. So that's my 7 personal bonuses and these 2 bonuses from Neil himself. Okay, these can only be claimed by clicking on these links here on my blog. Okay, so any of these links are tied in to all my bonuses. So then once you've purchased the product from JV Zoo, you will then be instructed to claim your bonuses on that page, on the purchase page. Okay, folks, so we'll just take a quick tour around the dashboard inside Coursium. This is what you'll get when you sign up and purchase the product. So this is your dashboard with some of the done for you courses here. You'll get some analytics and 10 done for you e-learning courses that's already done. Here you'll be able to access your video and your audio. These are the apps down here for your team and settings and your background sounds. You can customize your video pages here and you can customize your audio pages here. And then you have a knowledge base where you can find out how to navigate around Coursium. So we'll head over now and I'll give you a free tour round.
Hello and welcome to the demo of Coursium. Coursium was created so that you can quickly and easily create e-learning courses so you can profit without having to deal with all the stress of actually creating courses. This is done with 3 simple steps. First step is to upload your video. Now you don't even have to have an actual video. We provide you with a whole bunch of video courses to get you started selling your e-learning courses quickly. But the easiest way to do this is to grab an e-learning course directly from YouTube. Now you go to YouTube and, for example, search for affiliate marketing for beginners and then click on filters and turn on Creative Commons. These are free videos that you can legally use for your own courses. So here's one on how to start marketing. So I click on this one and then I grab the URL. Then back in Coursium, I click on Add New. Then go to the video language, and in this case, it is English. So I click on YouTube, paste my URL, and then it uploads the video. That is step 1. Now step 2 is to create your video page. Click on Video Pages. We're going to add one now. We're going to call this our CPA training course. Description could be CPA training, and then we can give it our own subdomain location, CPA training. Here you can add a logo to the video player as well. We can decide if you want to show video count and publishing date. You can change the text on the open button as well. Let's make it say start. Now, if you're going to charge for access to this course, you can add a password here. This is where you make your money. So let's set the password for this page as CPA. So the customer will pay you through your PayPal link or your Stripe link on your sales page, and then they will simply get the password from you as a permission to then launch the e-learning course. Here's where you can set it so that the course only shows on your domain. Over here, you can put additional HTML code as well, and then save that, and now you have a page ready to go. Step 3 is to add your e-learning courses to your new page. Click on Video under Projects. Click Open on the first video you want to add to the page. Then click on the Embed Code button. In the Embed Code windows, you will have various ways you can show the video with the transcription. We're going to go with the text on the bottom and further customize the player. You can fully customize each course with colors, reactions, text, all kinds of features. You can add to it as well, and then you can grab the code and copy the code and save the changes. Then click on Video Pages, open up your CPA training course. You're going to set up your page, and here you add the embed code, just paste it right in. Save it. Page settings have now been updated. Now we're going to open the page. As you know, we had a password protection on our page. Our password was CPA. Open that page. This is your e-learning course. That's how you build an e-learning course page here in Coursium. 3 simple steps: upload your video, create your page, and add your e-learning courses to the page. Go ahead and get access to Coursium today.
So there you have it. That was the product review for Coursium. So if you want to pick up on the launch and claim all those bonuses that I've just offered you, head over to my blog. You can use the link below this video. And if you haven't done already, please subscribe to my channel. Give me a like, ring that notification bell. And if you've got any questions, leave a comment in the box. So until the next video, I'll see you all soon. Stay safe.